Oh, look, you're all dirty now. Dirty bird. Tastes like chicken. You gotta go around, sillies. They want to play with each other or do it, and they can't because they don't know how to get from one side of that fence to the other. If you go to the water and make a left, you can come back up over here, honey. Yes, that's what you gotta do. You can't jump this fence. You go. Go now. Look. Go now. I got a bat. That's my bat. I feel bad. They don't know. I guess it's cold. Maybe they don't want to go in the water because it's too cold. Oh, poor guy. The girl's over there. Should I pick him up? I can't. Whoa! It's gonna fly. Bye. Good luck with that. Is it a turkey? You don't know? It looks kind of like a turkey. I think I just need food.